Ka kabinet jong ka jylla Meghalaya kala menjori ki babuan ki senjam ki bertemu ban penbiang hapaden ka jeng penroi ke sor pan ke jeng adai ka mariang. Napden ka rai bah khmat ka sorkar kala Pynbna ukha Chocolate Mahseer ubakot hakatien kasi kum khasau bot ukha jong ka jylla state fish ban kitio ka jeng adai uni dohkha. La menjeru ki jeng penkelai ka Meghalaya building bylaws arja arpui ban penyare ka jeng kentio ya ka yo ka kot hapo ka rensan ki project bakar pang.
Mahseer, which I think in Khasi, which we commonly call is khasau. So we declare this khasau as the state fish. So we did this as we like for conservation from the conservation point of view as well.
Where this fish means which areas?
No, it's fine all over the state. That's why we take it as a state fish.
It's edible fish.
Yeah, it's edible fish.
So you want to promote it, or what is the purpose?
It's like, yeah, we want to promote it and at the same time we want to conserve it.
So like